Okay, so anytime we are asked to find the skewness or calculate the skewness, we are going to use Pearson's coefficient of skewness formula. Before I explain the formula, I'm quickly going to explain what skew is. So over there we have a symmetrical distribution. In a case with symmetrical distribution, there is no skew or the skew is 0. You could have a positively skewed graph. This just means that majority of the values are concentrated before the median or before the mean. In this case, your mean would be somewhere over there, maybe a bit low. So that's no skew. That's positive skew. Then you can have negative skew as well. This just means that majority of the values are concentrated after the mean and the median. Okay, so if we calculate the coefficient of skewness, that should be done by the formula Sk, which stands for skewness, equals to 3 times your mean minus your median divided by your standard deviation. Now in this case, your solution can only be between -3 to +3. If the solution you get is between -3 to -2, you're going to say there's a large negative skewness. If your range is between -2 to -1, you're going to say there's a medium or moderate negative skewness. If it's between -1 and 0, you're going to say there's a small or slight negative skewness. If your skewness is 0, you're going to say there's no skew, which means it's basically a symmetrical distribution. If your skew is between 0 to 1, you're going to say there's a small positive skewness. If it's between 1 to 2, you're going to say there's a medium or moderate positive skewness. If it's between 2 and 3, you're going to say there's a large positive skewness.